In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and mirror a text box in just a few simple steps. Whether you're working on a creative project or just want to add a unique touch to your document, mastering this technique can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by inserting a text box. This foundational step will set the stage for all your text manipulation needs. To do this, navigate to the Insert tab, which is conveniently located at the top of your screen. Once you're there, look for the option that says Text Box. You'll want to click on it. Upon doing so, you'll be presented with a few choices, but for our purpose today, we are going to choose the Simple Text Box option. This provides a clean slate free of styles or preset designs, letting us focus purely on our text. Once the text box is in place, it usually comes with some placeholder text. Simply click inside the box, delete the placeholder, and type in your own content. You've now got your text set up and ready for the next exciting step. Now, onto the more visually intriguing part, mirroring your text. Begin by clicking on the border of the text box, not the text inside it. It's crucial to click the whole text box frame rather than highlighting the text itself, as mirroring functions apply to the entire box, not to the text content alone. After selecting the text box correctly, move over to the Shape Format tab, which might also appear as Drawing Tools. Format, depending on the version you're using. Here, look for the Rotate icon, which is typically represented by a circular arrow. Clicking this will drop down a menu with a couple of options specifically for flipping your text. Here's where the creativity kicks in. You have two main mirroring options to choose from. Selecting Flip Horizontal will mirror your text from left to right. This can be particularly useful if you want to create reflection effects or simply want to add an element of surprise to your writing. On the other hand, Flip Vertical turns your text upside down. It's a great trick for those looking to play with visual perceptions. Remember, whichever option you choose, it's important that it's applied to the selected text box itself, not just the text within. Attempting to mirror just the text without the box selected will result in nothing changing. So ensure that box border is highlighted. And that's it. You've successfully created and mirrored your text box. This technique is simple yet powerful, allowing you to add a professional and artistic touch to any document. Experiment with these steps and incorporate mirrored text into your projects for a unique, personalized flair. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!